3 behaviors that destroy your authority as a leader. Did you know? Most leaders think authority is destroyed by failure, but that's not true. Your authority is destroyed by something far more dangerous: your behavior. Today, we're going to look at 3 leadership habits that quietly destroy respect. Leadership is often defined by the ability to influence, inspire, and guide a team toward a common goal. However, authority is not a permanent entitlement granted by a job title. It is a fragile currency earned through consistent behavior and eroded by carelessness. While many leaders focus on developing the positive traits that build trust, they often overlook the subtle, corrosive behaviors that slowly erode their standing. To maintain a team's respect, a leader must be vigilant against 3 specific destructive behaviors: chronic indecisiveness, public hypocrisy, and emotional volatility. When these behaviors take root, they do not merely weaken authority, they systematically destroy it. The first behavior that fatally undermines a leader's authority is chronic indecisiveness. In the complex landscape of management, information is rarely complete, and risks are inherent. A leader's primary function is to navigate this ambiguity and provide direction. When a leader consistently hesitates, waffles, or defers critical decisions to avoid conflict or the possibility of being wrong, they create a vacuum of leadership. Teams look to the helm for direction. If the helm is wobbling, the crew cannot row in unison. This indecision manifests as analysis paralysis, where the leader requests endless reports and meetings without ever reaching a conclusion. The message this sends to the team is clear: you lack the confidence, competence, or courage to lead. Consequently, team members lose faith in the leader's ability to steer the ship. They begin to make decisions in a silo, or worse, stop making decisions altogether, waiting for a direction that never comes. Authority requires decisiveness. Even a slightly imperfect decision made with conviction is often more respected than a perfect decision that arrives too late. The second, and perhaps most damaging behavior, is public hypocrisy. Specifically, the failure to adhere to the same standards set for the team. Authority is built on a foundation of trust, and trust is built on consistency. When a leader establishes a rule, a deadline, or a cultural value, they are implicitly agreeing to be bound by it. If a leader demands punctuality but shows up 15 minutes late to every meeting, they signal that their time is more valuable than their team's. If they preach work-life balance but send emails at midnight expecting immediate responses, they reveal that their words are merely rhetoric. This double standard is instantly detectable and deeply resented by employees. It breeds cynicism and disengagement as the team realizes that the rules are arbitrary instruments of control rather than shared commitments to excellence. The leader who behaves hypocritically loses the moral authority to hold others accountable. How can a manager correct an employee for missing a deadline when the manager routinely misses budget submissions? Once a leader is perceived as someone who says one thing and does another, their words become hollow, and their authority vanishes. The third behavior that destroys authority is emotional volatility, often characterized by public outbursts of anger or panic. Leadership requires emotional regulation, particularly in high-pressure situations. When a leader reacts to bad news with explosive anger, they create a culture of fear. Employees become terrified of delivering negative updates, leading to hidden problems that fester into crises. Alternatively, when a leader responds to setbacks with panic, they amplify the team's anxiety rather than mitigating it. A leader is meant to be the emotional center of the group, the one who remains steady when the storm hits. If the leader is the most hysterical person in the room, the team has no anchor. This volatility signals a lack of self-awareness and control, traits essential for strategic thinking. Team members lose respect for a leader who cannot manage their own emotions, let alone manage a department. They begin to view the leader as a liability rather than a protector. To maintain authority, a leader must project composure, demonstrating that challenges are problems to be solved, not disasters to be feared. Authority is not maintained by grand gestures or charismatic speeches, but by the quiet consistency of daily behavior. Indecisiveness tells a team that their leader is not fit to guide them. Hypocrisy tells them that their leader cannot be trusted. Volatility tells them that their leader is unsafe to follow. Ask yourself one question today. Are my behaviors building respect or destroying it? If you want to become a stronger leader, subscribe to Leadership Conversation.